that we're going to install are going to be about half the size of the existing solar arrays that we have on the International Space Station. But because of the advances in technology over the years, they're going to provide about twice the power in just half of the area that the existing solar arrays cover. First two are in final preparations, and they're scheduled to launch in May of this year on SpaceX 22, so the next SpaceX cargo flight. It's going to be really exciting to watch the next few years.